Look what we just installed on our van. So we picked up this OWL ladder and tire carrier from Freedom VanGo in Jacksonville, Florida. The reason why we ended up going with this is because we loved the combination of the ladder and the tire rack, and we also just feel like OWL products, they just have really good quality, and it also just looks the best.
The hinges on 180 degree. No, I don't know what they are, but we have the wrong ones on here. See? It's open too far.
Before we install the tire carrier, we are removing the old hinges. That way when we open the door with the tire on there, we do not have to worry about it smashing into the side of our van. Loading it.
Hey, look good.
I am.
Un momento. Should be good. Yeah, it's tight. Get it that way. The old door would open all the way. The new hinges stop.
We got this handy foam template from OWL. What do you do with it?
Mark out a hole. I think you gotta drill just one hole for this ladder tire carrier. Perfect.
Billy, what are you doing?
I didn't like the hole. It wasn't pretty.
Oh.
Much better. Tape trap. Thanks. I don't need to take this off, but I want to be able to clean up the metal shaving.
So we pre-drilled a pilot hole first before using the step bit, which is provided by OWL.
You drill this all the way through, right? There she is. Got it. All done. More space here, less space there. Washers, back washers. washer.
Strong man.
Got squished.